HIRP is back with MT's brand new edition of their Thunder 3 and Thunder 4 helmets, two new different designs. And here's the bright new colors for you guys. The Thunder 4 Drax edition, which has a really good and aerodynamic design and also comes in this really cool color scheme as well. Has a 2.2mm thick visor, which does absolute great things when you're driving on longer distances as well. Also has an inner shield for you guys to enjoy your daylight rides without blocking your eyesight with too much of sunlight at the same time. We also have a really plush inside EPS liner, which does wonders to your face and does not really make you feel suffocated inside. Also, the best part about MT helmets is that you can replace most of the parts at a really reasonable rate, and also this does not feel really heavy considering that this is certified with DOT and ECE 220.6, and the other one out here that we have is compliant with 2205. These are one of the best helmets that you can find for under the price range of about 13,000 odd rupees for the Thunder 4 and about 6,000 rupees for the Thunder 3. Get yours now at HIRP mods, for these will be the perfect companions for your next ride.